Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the easy process of sending money with Venmo. Whether you need to split a bill with friends or pay for a service, Venmo makes it simple and quick. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download the Venmo app. If you haven't already, download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. Step 2. Create your account. Sign up for a Venmo account by providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your identity. You may need to link your bank account, debit card, or credit card to your Venmo account for easy transactions. Step 3. Add friends. To make sending money easier, you can add friends using their Venmo usernames, phone numbers, or email addresses. Simply tap on the Friends icon to find and add your contacts. Step 4. Initiate a payment. To send money, tap on the Pay or Request button located at the top of the home screen. Enter the username, phone number, or email address of the person you want to pay. Step 5. Enter the amount. Type in the amount of money you wish to send. Make sure to double-check the amount before proceeding. Step 6. Add a note. In the note section, you can add a short message describing the payment, such as dinner last night or concert tickets. This helps you keep track of your transactions. Step 7. Choose your payment method. Select how you'd like to pay. You can choose to use your Venmo balance, linked bank account, or debit and credit card. If you have sufficient funds in your Venmo balance, it's usually the quickest way to send money. Step 8. Send the payment. Once everything looks good, tap the Pay button. You'll see a confirmation screen, and your transaction will be processed within moments. Step 9. Check your transaction history. You can view all your past transactions by tapping on the Activity tab. This gives you a clear overview of who you've paid or received money from. And that's it. You've successfully sent money with Venmo. It's a straightforward process that allows you to pay friends quickly and easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching.